behind your back. Dominic, you got taser? Stop! You stop! Stop! Get on the ground.
You good?
Yep. 305.
Yeah, and we're in custody. We'll take a squad.
You're under arrest for sexual assault of a minor. Do you have any questions?
I think I'm sick and I need help.
What do you mean? Like you're gonna puke right now or something else?
I think we should go to Misty House. Matching Dallas and Whitmore, 4 Taurus.
33, give us some 33.
We're westbound Glen Arbor, coming to Dallas. Be pursued. All nothing down Dallas. Passenger in the back looks like he's getting ready to Lakeville.
Take over comms. Alright. Pit is mobilized and successful.
Get your hands up! Get your hands up! Get your hands up! Get your hands up! You don't move. Put your hands on top of your head now! You don't move. Put your hands on top of your head now!
Shut it off! Shut the fucking thing off or die! Shut it off!
DBA?
Okay, the other vehicle boxed in, then it drove up on the grass, took off on South Main towards Waterbury, towards Overy.
Crash, crash, crash on the on-ramp. Fail, fail.
You better fucking stop! You better fucking stop! On the ground! Oh, shit! I'm sorry!
Taser, 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 one down.
On your stomach! On your fucking stomach now! On it now! On your fucking stomach! How many fucking times did I tell you?
I'm done.
Put your fucking hands behind your back now!
Sorry. I'm sorry.
John, you still got one in the car.
Officer, I'm sorry. I didn't know what the fuck happened.
Shut the fuck up!
Sorry.
Put your fucking hands...
Please.
You're getting another ride.
No, please.
Put your behind your fucking back now!
Please don't do that no more.
Then stop fucking complying, ass.
My back.
Shut the fuck up!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry.
You're a fucking... You turned a larceny into a felony.
I didn't know what happened.
Shut the fuck up.
Okay. Sorry, okay? Sorry.
Shut up. Stop talking.
Sorry, okay, officer?